Hey guys, so welcome back to Odate GH TV. That's what you do on this channel. We give you guys the latest entertainment news, gossip, events, and more. So right about now, I'm at an event and has to do with Miss Bell launching a new wing of her business, okay, which is the Bell Kids Playground. That's what you know. This year, Miss Bell said that this year is a business year for her, and this time she's not going to be doing a lot of consign or song for so she's business minded this year. So as I said, I'm here to cover the event. I'm going to give you guys the exclusive as whatever is going to happen right about now. Stick and stay with me. So you can bring your kids around, but then Miss Bell will be addressing the press, so I'm going to take you guys to that particular juncture where she's going to address the press, and you get more details about what Bell Kids Playground is about. Stick and stay. So when you bring your kids to Bell Kids Playground, there's no dull moments, that your kids will be having fun, like I'm doing, You're gonna have fun, stuff here, they can play with, the seesaw, and all that. So just bring your kids and patronize Bell Kids Playground.
Come up by Omo Abadaye, yes, some Omo Abadaye, like Omo Akumonim, a choir, fast way, name of Fra, a daily Tino, under supervision, ye Jacolan and Kwan, Umusa Colebi Diabroa, na Obijinawa, or assistant or Guano. It's a yes over before, but only Nitiqua pie, Limuma Swa pie, and now Wakana, no, be a head in Debbie. And no, Ebi is your hands, you recommended Yamubi until you say your coffee or Banu school. You then go school now back at your own convenient time. We're picking up about your higher. See you, you better taking the remarks. After that, question and answers, media for her, before you give some visa questions. You must see you a Casa or non Casabi Bakumi, not to say that's also.
Good afternoon. First of all, may I apologize to say, Yan started 10, so she share. Dona Gosuka Ghana time. MC Cry, where time by so. Maybe a channel. It's in the middle when I see for your patience. And I bring money. Apostle Ekai, yes, I hire a decent home for kids. Say, we back home school, na say, won't me and Concofana. Uni and Shisha, a beco school Concofana Baha, Abbe Channel, Amana in the homework. Say, Upe say, a jarring no shiny pajamas, a baby beer, Uba Abbe Fowl Paco. Ain't no any time he be a Upe so call baby, Munya will be managed about fear mountain. Wouldn't never ha, was soon a bedroom. Ain't no, Madam Wagina say, mobile, you betcha nothing at
your questions. Obi bisa me say akwala no mokofana. What the net na cycle so the number obesi obi echi and obesi obi kon ho.
Ye wo cars I dey Uber. Bell transport entino say woni ye hihia ye ne omo so be hihia na omo afa akwala na e de na car air condition wo mu e de na ba ha wa be hwe ne so ama ye mfa ne ntina okada ana say kenu ana helicopter obi nturu no wonichi so oba ha na obese obi turu no wonichi dia sa dia wo ye ma no wo fie dia oba ye be ma obi aturu no wonichi aha.
Parents need to say, "Omo no, omo special diet." Into be catch us any bano special diet say na or pese or baha come bet me nyama ni the original. Ubet me spend ni woni pa ba kon say on the special diet and be possible.
Me pa cho afa na ya starting into ye special diet. Into uba was special diet. How the neighbor now the special diet now. Aka wona ye the man special e wa ha. That's it.
Na je say oba no banching e no pa oba no abo banching. Na what the bunch no way what the account yeah the man no problem be any o but your questions be over one family okay but your question any question I think I saw a hand well okay
Come. Take off your shoes.
Remove your shoes.
It's too small.
Junior.
wait you have a one for more
I have Brian from Cocoa, but I know your first time. 4 at a time. That money have.
Butterfly.
4 at a time.
No space is there.
Okay. Yes, Martin is where I know ye the Legos ni and your bua or this year here or has it. Toys real home your oh, okay. Most of them money can you know. You want time good. Your football so Amen.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming. I beg you, positive news.
Eti abe mubet mi atanasi